We're back at Ross Park Mall. Here's the Hatfield modded Montgomery elevator. This is the original call station. They did not replace the pump. Adams. Oh, Dad, I'm going on my own.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. My dad just came out and scared me. Hopefully it's coming up soon. Yep, it's coming. This is a busy elevator. Here we are. Go down to 1. Here we go. Still got that annoying bulb. Carpet's cleaner than last time. This has a capacity of 5,000 pounds. We're gonna go up to 2. This was modded by Hatfield, not Schindler. Oh my gosh. That's not a good sign. Despite the motor, it kind of makes up for it. Ugh. I don't know what happened there. Innovation Universal. There's a hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Elevator number 1. Going down. Has a 5,000 pound capacity.